Hi, welcome to our channel Saha Computer Education Center. In this tutorial, we will learn if-error function and we will learn this with different examples so that you can understand this very clearly. So let's begin this tutorial. So as we can see, if-error function is a logical function and its syntax is equal to if-error within first bracket value comma value if error. That means in place of value we have to put any formula, and if this formula returns any error value, then instead of that error value we can display any text, number or any formula. That means it returns a value that you specify if a formula evaluates any error. Otherwise, it will return the result of the formula. So here are some examples. So first, let me delete this. You can see this is an error. So to fix this error, we can put here if error and then at last give comma and value if error we will put blank, bracket close, enter. So in this case this formula is returning a error value, that's why we are getting the blank cell. But if this formula does not return any error value, then it will return the result of this formula. Suppose if I type here equal to 5 plus 5, it is returning equal to 5 plus 5. That means this is the return value of this formula. Press F9, you can see this is the return value of that formula. That's why it's returning the value of this formula. So here you can see we have different type of error value. Here you can see hash value. We have put here C12 plus D12. C12 is 5 and A is text. So if I try to add a number and text, it will return a error value. And in case of name, you can see we have type here SU. So SU is nothing but Excel is taking it as a named range. But this sheet or workbook does not contain any named range with SU. That's why as Excel cannot recognize this SU, it returns error name. That means no named range with SU. And here in this case I have divided 5 with 0. As we cannot divide any number with 0, it will return divided by 0 error value. And in this case we can see we do not use any operator. That's why it is returning a null value. And if there is no cell reference or error reference, then it will return reference error. So how to fix this? Simply we'll again use these formulas. So here equal to if error, within bracket we'll use the formula, this formula C12 plus D12. So this is the value. If this value returns a correct value, then it will be displayed. Otherwise, it will display anything you want. If you want to display a text message, that is only you display error, bracket close, enter. So you can see it is returning error. But if you do not use to display anything, then just put double quotation. Do not put anything within the quotation and press enter. You can see we got the blank result. So in these three cases, as I drag the formula, so here 5 plus 7, 12, you can see it is returning 12. But if I use this formula SU within bracket C13 colon D13, and if I press enter, sorry, we have to close the bracket here, enter, you can see it is returning blank, because in case of error we have given blank, that means two double quotation. If you want to display any other thing, suppose you want to display A, press enter, you will get A. In this way, if we get any error value while using different formulas, we can get rid of these error values with the help of IFERROR function. So this is a very easy and simple function. I hope you have understood this function very clearly. And if you have any problem regarding this tutorial, you can write me in the comment section. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you do not subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel so that you can get regular updates and notifications of our new videos and any new updates. Thanks for watching the video till the end. See you soon in the next tutorial.